Discussing how much to tip. The meal was delicious.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Here is the check.
Let me see how much it is.
It is $40.
That is not too expensive.
We should leave a tip for the waiter.
How much is the standard tip here?
Usually, people give 15%.
Is that enough for good service?
Maybe we can give a little more.
What about 20%?
That is very nice of you.
The service was really fast.
Okay, 20% it is.
So that is $8.
Do you have any cash?
No, I only have my card.
We can add the tip to the bill.
Yes, please write it down.
I will put the total amount here.
Make sure you sign the receipt.
Did I calculate it correctly?
Yes, 40 plus 8 is 48.
That is a good tip.
The waiter will be happy.
In my country, we do not tip much.
It is different here.
I am getting used to it.
It is part of the culture.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's leave the receipt here.
Thank you for eating with me.
It was my pleasure.
Discuss with colleagues what to have for lunch. It is almost noon.
Yes, I am very hungry.
What do you want for lunch?
I do not know. Any ideas?
How about a burger?
No, I had a burger yesterday.
Do you like sushi?
I love sushi, but it is expensive.
We can go to the cheap place near the park.
Is it far from here?
No, it is just a 10-minute walk.
Okay, let's go there.
Wait, is it raining outside?
Yes, look at the window.
I do not have an umbrella.
Me neither.
Should we order food delivery?
That is a good idea.
What should we order?
Let's look at the menu on the phone.
I want some fried chicken.
I want a salad. I am on a diet.
A salad is healthy.
Do they have drinks?
Yes, they have cola and tea.
I will have a cup of tea.
Okay, I will place the order now.
How much is it?
It is $20 total.
Here is my $10.
Thank you. The food will arrive soon.
Great. I cannot wait to eat.
Discussing vision problems with an optometrist. Hello, doctor. I have a problem.
Hello. What is wrong with your eyes?
I cannot see far away clearly.
Does it happen all the time?
Yes, mostly when I drive.
How long have you had this?
For about 1 month now.
Do you have headaches too?
Yes, sometimes in the evening.
Please sit in this chair.
Okay, is this the right spot?
Yes, put your chin here.
It feels a little high.
Just relax and look straight.
What is that machine for?
It checks the pressure in your eyes.
Will it hurt?
No, you will just feel a puff of air.
Okay, I am ready.
Keep your eyes wide open.
Like this?
Perfect. Now cover your left eye.
My left eye is covered.
Read the letters on the chart.
E, F, P, T, O, Z.
Can you read the next line?
L, P, E. I am not sure.
Is it blurry or clear?
It is very blurry.
Okay, try these lenses.
Which one is better?
Number 1 or number 2?
Number one is better.
How about number 3?
That is the best one.
Do you use a computer often?
Yes, I work on it every day.
You should rest your eyes more.
I will try to take breaks.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have any.
You need to wear glasses.
Can I choose them now?
Yes, we have many styles.
I want a black frame.
Do you want plastic or metal?
I think metal is better.
Let's look at the catalog.
These look very nice.
They suit your face shape.
How much are they?
They are on sale today.
That is great news.
When can I get them?
Can I get them next week?
Yes, come back on Monday.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Take care.
Requesting a price adjustment for recent purchase. Excuse me, I need some help.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I bought this shirt here yesterday,
It looks very nice on you.
but I saw the price changed today.
Really? Let me check the tag.
It is 20% off now.
I see the sale sign now.
Can I get a price adjustment?
Yes, we can do that for you.
Do I need the receipt?
Yes, please show me your receipt.
Here is the receipt from yesterday.
Okay, let me check the date.
Is it within the time limit?
Yes, it is within 7 days.
How much money will I get back?
You will get back $10.
Can you put it on my card?
Yes, I will refund your card.
Do I need to return the shirt?
No, you can keep the shirt.
That is very good to know.
It is our store policy.
How long will the refund take?
It will take about 3 days.
Okay, I can wait for that.
Please sign this paper for me.
Sure, I will sign right here.
Thank you for being honest.
I appreciate your help.
You are very welcome.
Informing a server about a nut allergy before ordering food. Excuse me?
Hello? Can I take your order?
Yes, I am ready to order.
What would you like to eat today?
Before I order, I need to tell you something.
Sure, what is it?
I have a very serious nut allergy.
I understand. That is very important.
I cannot eat peanuts or tree nuts.
Does that include almonds and walnuts?
Yes, I cannot eat any kind of nut.
Okay, I will make a note of that.
Does the kitchen use peanut oil?
No, we only use vegetable oil here.
That is good to hear.
However, some dishes have nuts in the sauce.
Which dishes are safe for me?
The grilled chicken is completely safe.
What about the pasta dishes?
The tomato pasta is safe. but the pesto is not.
Why is the pesto not safe?
It is made with pine nuts.
Okay, I will avoid the pesto.
The chocolate cake also has hazelnuts.
I will just have the chicken then.
Would you like a salad with that?
Is the salad nut free?
Yes, but we usually put walnuts on top.
Can I have it without walnuts?
Absolutely. I will tell the chef.
Please tell them to be very careful.
I will write allergy on your order.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Your food will be safe.
Asking about luggage weight restrictions at check-in. Hello, I would like to check in for my flight, please.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Sure, here are my documents. I am flying to New York.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today?
I have one big suitcase to check and one backpack for carry-on.
All right. Please place your suitcase on the scale over there.
Okay, I put it on the scale. Can I ask you a question?
Of course. What do you need to know?
What is the maximum weight allowed for checked luggage?
For economy class, the limit is usually 23 kilograms.
And what is the limit for the carry-on bag?
The carry-on should be under 7 kilograms, and it must fit in the overhead bin.
I see. My suitcase is quite heavy. I hope it is not overweight.
Let me check the reading. It says 26 kilograms.
Oh, that is 3 kilograms over the limit. Is that a problem?
Yes, it is overweight. You will have to pay an excess baggage fee.
How much is the fee for the extra weight?
It is $20 per kilogram, so that would be $60 total.
That is expensive. Can I take some things out?
Yes, you can remove items and put them in your carry-on if there is space.
Let me open my bag and take out some heavy books.
That is a good idea. Please be quick.
I moved the books to my backpack. Let me weigh the suitcase again.
Okay, the scale now shows 22 kilograms. That is perfect.
Great. I am glad I don't have to pay the fee.
Me too. Is your backpack under 7 kilograms now?
I think so. It feels a bit heavier, but hopefully it is okay.
We can check. It is 8 kilograms, so it is slightly over.
Really? I guess I have to take out my laptop and carry it.
Yes, if you carry your laptop in your hand, the bag weight will go down.
Okay, I will hold my laptop. Does that work?
Yes, that is fine. Now everything is within the limits.
Thank you for your patience and help.
You are welcome. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A5.
What time does the flight start boarding?
Boarding begins at 10:30 a.m. You have about 1 hour.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your trip to New York.